Hello and welcome. Today I want to talk to you like a friend. No big lessons, no grammar rules, no pressure. Just me talking about something important. If I had to learn English again from zero, what would I do? Maybe you are learning English now. Maybe it feels hard or slow. I understand. I was there too. I remember the first time I tried to say something in English, and nothing came out. I was nervous. I didn't know the words. I was afraid to sound stupid. But now I can speak, not perfect of course, but enough to travel, work, and make friends from other countries. So today I want to share what I've learned and what I would do if I had to start again from zero. Step 1. Don't study English, live it. If I had only 1 month to start speaking, I wouldn't take a big textbook and study rules. I would try to live with English every day. What does that mean? It means I would surround myself with English. I would listen to English music. I would change the language on my phone. I would write my shopping list in English. I would watch short English videos, even if I didn't understand everything. Why? Because language is not just information, it's a habit. It's something your brain needs to feel every day, like brushing your teeth, like drinking water. So my rule would be English every day, even 20 minutes. Even if I'm tired, just do something in English. Step 2, speak from day 1. Yes, from day 1. I wouldn't wait. Even if I know only 5 words, I would speak them. Hello, my name is Anna. I'm happy. That's it. That's my first conversation. Speaking is a muscle. If you don't use it, it stays weak. When I was learning, I waited too long. I was afraid. I wanted to be ready. But the truth is, you are never ready. You just start. And you get better. If I had to do it again, I would talk to myself in the mirror. I would record my voice. I would say what I see. This is a cup. The cup is red. I drink coffee. Is it simple? Yes. Is it useful? Very. Step 3. Choose real English, not school English. In school, I learned long lists of words. Apple, banana, orange, but I never used them in real life. Later, I learned to use short, real phrases like, "Can I help you?" "I'm not sure." "Let me think." These are the phrases people use every day. So now I would focus on chunks, small pieces of real English. Not just words. Instead of learning the word beautiful, I would learn, "That's a beautiful dress." "You look beautiful today." Phrases are better than words. They are ready to use. Step 4. Don't try to be perfect. This one is big. In the beginning, I wanted every sentence to be perfect. I was slow, I was stressed. If I forgot one word, I stopped talking. Now I know mistakes are part of learning. I would tell my new learner self, just speak, just say something. People understand, you are learning, it's okay. Children make mistakes all the time. But they speak and they learn fast out we can do the same. We can do the same. Step 5. Use your time smartly. If I had 1 hour a day for English, I would break it into small parts. 10 minutes, listen to easy English, YouTube or podcast. 10 minutes, repeat out loud, shadowing. 10 minutes, learn new words or phrases. 10 minutes, speak to myself. Or write something. 10 minutes, watch a funny video or short movie with subtitles. 10 minutes, review what I learned. Even 30 minutes like this can make a big difference in 30 days. Step 6. Find one person to talk to. If I had the chance, I would find one person to talk to in English, a friend, a teacher, a language partner online. Not a big group. Just one person who is kind and patient. I remember when I had my first English friend online. We talked every day for 10 minutes. I was scared at first. But I learned so much from these little talks, real English. Real practice. If I had to do it again, I would start earlier. Step 7. Think in English, even simple thoughts. At first, I translated everything in my head, from my language to English. It was slow. Later, I tried something new. I started to think in English. For example, when I woke up, it's morning, I'm tired. When I ate, this soup is hot. When I walked, it's cold today. I forgot my jacket. Very small sentences. Very easy, but this changed everything. Now I don't always need to translate. English lives in my head. That's powerful. Step 8. Use the same sentences again and again. Repetition is magic. If I learn a new phrase today, I will use it 5 times, not once, not twice. 5 times. For example, if I learn I'm looking for, I will say I'm looking for my keys. I'm looking for a job. I'm looking for a new phone. I'm looking for some information. I'm looking for help. Same phrase, many situations. This helps my brain remember and connect. Step 9. Celebrate small wins. Learning a language is a long journey. You need to feel good along the way. If I had to learn English again, I would celebrate small wins. Today I spoke for 1 minute. Today I understood a sentence in a movie. Today I remembered 10 words. These moments matter. They keep you going. Be kind to yourself. You are doing something amazing. Step 10. English is not a test, it's a tool. This is my last and most important advice. When I started learning English, I thought it was a subject in school. A test, a list of rules. Now I know English is a tool to make friends. A tool to understand songs and stories. A tool to live your dreams. It doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to work. If people understand you, that's enough. You can improve later. Final thoughts. So, what would I do if I had to learn English again in 1 month? I would live in English. I would speak from day 1. I would listen and repeat. I would make mistakes and be proud of them. I would talk to people. I would think in English. And I would never give up. You can do this. Yes, you. You are stronger than you think. English is not easy, but it is possible. If you show up every day, 1 month is short. But 1 month is also enough to begin something big. Thanks for listening. And remember, speak a little English today, even 1 sentence. That's how it starts. See you next time.